Sizzling na at binake pa, yan yung lasagna at tikman ng Kate Cunanan.
Aliwang klase ning keso. Iti kano'y mami ang aliwang klaseng linamnam at nyaman king lasagna. Aluluto ning tubong angeles sa restaurateur ay avelay ni Pomuseno. Oneng liban ken at yun pa kanong aliwang paralan. Bang ingke ang lasagna, mas maging manyaman. Uling iti, luluto king cast iron plate o mas budni king aus a sizzling plate.
The sizzling baked lasagna was actually the idea of the original owner. He decided to use a cast iron plate because it's a very good conductor of heat and it keeps the lasagna hot longer.
King pamangawa naman, iadjading sang kapaapat a milawang klase ning keso, beef sauce at lasagna pasta. King sizzling plate, ikabit ing beef sauce bilang base. Ibulos ding niyalawang klase ng cheese, lasagna pasta, at beef sauce. Kayari, i-bake na kano'y tiking oven, kilog ni nga 10 minuto.
We don't cook the lasagna as a whole pan like most restaurants do. We assemble the lasagna per order and we serve it in that cute little plate and we bake it there also. So we don't really plate it anymore.
Atak maning meto nga serving ng sizzling baked lasagna, king halagang 265 pesos.
Our lasagna is very meaty and our sauce, of course, I can't share the recipe, is cooked very long. We simmer it very long for the flavors to really infuse. And syempre, I can't tell you all of the secrets, but it has a lot of cheese. So, it's very savory.
Masarap niya. Napaka-cheesy niya para sa isang ordinary na lasagna. Medyo kakaiba din kasi hindi siya common eh. Usually sin-serve siya as plate, di ba? Dito, sizzling siya. Umuusok-usok ay ang init niya talaga.
Dagdag na pa, adwang banwa pa kanuin niyang inumpisang i-manage impi panganan. Kaya namang ni-renovate bang sumwak, king panlasa dareng kabalen.
It started 2 years ago. We bought it from a foreigner named Joe. It used to be a hole-in-the-wall pizza place, strictly delivery back then. And then we spruced it up. I remarketed it, rebranded it, and we fixed some of the recipes to suit the taste of the Kapampangans and what I thought was good also.
Liban king sizzling baked lasagna, makapangan mo namang miyalawang klase ning New York style hand tossed pizza, king pipanganan, aatupan king Hensonville. Kate Cunanan, ABS-CBN News.